watching for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northern Kent County in central Delaware, western Cumberland County, Gillum County in southern New Jersey, south central Gloucester, 7 p.m. Thunderstorm was located.
Sorry about the wreck, guys. Sorry about the TV wreck, guys.
Radar and power lines. Locations impacted include Monmouth, Newark, Millville, Richmond, Middletown, Glassboro, Pennsville, Smyrna, Carneys Point, Newcastle, Salem, Woodstown, Alloway, Clayton, and Quinton. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m.
From the inside out, I've been speaking to some of the residents